So I picked up a new compressor. Well, it's new to me at least. So there it is. Now it's made by a company called Binks, and I believe they're more well known for spray guns. But I guess at one point they did make compressors. Now I've been doing some research, and apparently these compressors are actually a Quincy unit. Yeah, if I can get in here close, let's see if I can see the numbers. So it says it's a model 33-526, serial 216L-100. Seems to be a nice unit. It's about a 60-gallon tank, I think. Motor's not original. Guy I bought it from said the original motor died, so he replaced this with a Marathon electric. It's 2 horsepower, 220 volt. Now I bought this so I could do some sandblasting, and can't quite keep up with the sandblaster, but it's good enough for what I need. So. Pretty fancy looking unit. It's got this oil pump on the front here with an oil pressure gauge. And yeah, well, let's fire it up here so you can listen to it run. Let's get some air going here. Apparently it has some kind of system in it, so it'll actually it won't start compressing air until it builds up oil pressure, which does something inside these things to either open the valves or something. So that's why it kind of makes that noise after it runs for a second. But man, this thing's a quiet running unit. Yeah, that's it. I have it set so it kicks in at about 105 and kicks off at about 125. So it builds up pressure pretty quick. Anyway, I just thought you folks might want to see that. Not too many of these Binks around from what I can tell.